Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Today I am going to share a lovely recipe using Ivy Gourd. We're going to make this delicious Ivy Gourd curry which is perfect for chapatis and rotis. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken about 250 grams of Ivy Gourd. Just cut off both sides and cut it into 4 pieces. Don't cut it all the way down. Just make 2 slits to cut into 4. To a pan, take about 3 tablespoons of oil. First I'm going to fry the Ivy Gourd. So you can see I've just cooked these for about 10 minutes. So you can see the colors changed lightly. And the skin is a little wrinkled, so this is a good indication. You can remove the Ivy Gourd and keep it aside. To the same pan, add all the whole spices starting with cinnamon, clove, cardamom, Shahi Jeera and fennel. Next add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. So you can see the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything together. Add the puree of 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes till the oil separates and there is no raw smell. So now you can see the oil is separating. Add half cup of water. Now I am going to powder some roasted peanuts. This is roughly about quarter cup. Remove this and keep it aside. Now add the peanut powder. Mix it all in nicely. So this peanut powder is going to add a lot of flavor to this curry. So the dish is going to be very nutty and flavorful. Add a cup of water. We're going to continue cooking this. Now add the fried Ivy Gourds to the gravy. Close the saucepan and cook the curry on medium flame for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see the curry is coming together so beautifully. The oil has separated, it's thickened up and the Ivy Gourd is completely cooked. This is a very simple curry but it's very tasty. Next add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, half teaspoon sugar. This is just to balance the flavors. So just mix that in. So for garnish I'm adding a few ginger juliennes, a few green chilies, some Kasuri Methi. Just crush it. Just add that. Wow, this Ivy Gourd curry is looking absolutely fantastic. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious Ivy Gourd curry which is perfect for fulkas, chapatis or even rotis. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. Next time you're at the market, make sure you buy this vegetable nice and fresh and try this curry at home.